This is Investorideas, and we're here at Money 2020 in 2015 in Las Vegas at the Venetian Hotel. Money 2020 is one of the largest events covering payments and financial services innovation. And what better place to host this than Las Vegas? So if you want to have some insight into the future of money, from mobile payments to biometrics to Bitcoin, this is the place to be.
I suspect many of the people who are in the business will go under because they fail to adapt, and some will do extremely well because they will use their advantage as well. So I think it really depends on the institution, and it probably isn't as dependent on size. Let me just add one more thought. Traditional advantage has been capital, trust, credibility. If you put trust in the blockchain, for example, that's not a big issue. Capital formation is going to become much, much easier for startups. And we are already seeing that in many of the lending startups, capital formation is happening much easier. It's a critical function of banks. I don't think we will need large banks for that, and we won't need middlemen, which is just a cost. And much of investment banking is middlemen. The functions that are not valuable will decline. So I don't think that's the advantage. What's an advantage? Willingness to experiment and try new things, not to rest on your fat profits, and be willing to change things and disrupt. The ability to attract great talent, I think, look, we are going to move from an economy of labor and capital to an economy of ideas. We see that happening in every part of the ecosystem, especially tech-driven innovation ecosystem. And I think people who have the best ideas are willing to try, willing to fail and try again, keep iterating till they get better. People who are progressive about their thinking will do well, both traditional institutions as well as startups.